Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on quitting a game on Nintendo Switch. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the homepage of the Switch, select the game that you would like to quit so that it is highlighted. Then press the X button. Select Close on the pop-up that appears. That game will no longer be running in the background. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Nintendo tips and tricks.